Okay, this is number 10, and I'm going to make a Saccheri quadrilateral. Basically, what we're looking for is a quadrilateral where two of the base angles are right angles, and then we're going to see what happens to the other angles. So let's see if I can do this. Start off with my segment. I'm going to make a segment, make it right, maybe right there. Doesn't matter. Then I'm going to do, where is it? Perpendicular to point. We'll start with this point. There's my perpendicular. Start with this point. There's my perpendicular. Maybe we'll move that in a little. Add a nice little tree. Who knows? Some happy birds. Anyway, now I'm supposed to make these two sides congruent. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go, where do you go? A circle with a given radius. I'm going to click here, and then I'm going to say, I don't know, maybe I'll just say 1 for funsies. Okay, and I'm going to put a point. I'm going to put a point at that intersection point. And then let's hide this guy here. Object properties. Don't show it for right now. Okay, then we're going to go back here and grab our circle thing again. We're going to do it like this. We're going to do 1. It's for funsies. Okay. And then we need to put a point at the intersection point. And then let's hide this circle. Okay, so I've got these 2 points. They're both, so this side and this side should be congruent because I did circles of radius 1 centered here and here. So that length and that length should be the same. Even though they don't quite look the same, they should be the same. I don't know what the sun is doing with my face. Woo! Okay, then I'm supposed to put a segment in here. I'm going to put it from here to here. And then they say, hey man, you need to measure some angles. It's going to be crazy, awesome, weird here at C and D. So let's do that. Hyperbolic angle. Let's go here, here, and here. I get 57. I'm going to go here, here, and here. I get 57. No way, dude. They are totally congruent. What? I think we need to do some disco dancing. Wow, wow, wow. Look at that. Even that funky, funky thing, it's still the two. So, you know, these two angles, A and B, are right angles, and these stay congruent as long as those two are sides are congruent. The Saccheri rectangle. Oh, well, that was a little bit fast. Sorry. There it is. So you're supposed to recognize that that angle and the angle D and angle C are in fact congruent. If angle A and angle B are right angles, and you're supposed to be excited about it. Are we supposed to do more of this stinking thing? Huh. It says use the hyperbolic perpendicular bisector tool to construct the perpendicular bisector of the base. And what happens? Okay. Wow, I was having so much fun. Hyperbolic perpendicular bisector. Okay, we're going to do that one and that one. There's that. And then let's do this one and that one. Well, it looks like they're the same line, but maybe we can grab it and move it. Oh, what? 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 Well, look at that. Not only are these two angles that aren't the right angles congruent, the perpendicular bisector of the base AB is the same as the perpendicular bisector of the base of this top side CD. And even when I make it all funky monkey, it still works. This is crazy coconuts, man. Holy cow. Are we so excited? I don't know. I can tell you all are super excited. Yeah, so then that must mean that this length is congruent to that length, and that length is congruent to that length. Oh, man. Should we measure the lengths of side AD and BC? Huh, let's do that. They say it's going to be totally awesome. Come on now. Hyperbolic distance. Let's measure this one. And let's measure this one. Well, we know they're the same because we made them one. So when I move them around, they're supposed to be the same thing. What are we supposed to do? We're supposed to. Oh, you're supposed to measure that. Oh, oh, wait a minute, boys and girls. They want you to measure this segment here. Hey, let's measure that segment there. All right. Boom, boom. It's not one. Oh, well, that's a letdown. Let's move this a little. Not one. And evidently it goes away somewhere. So, I don't know what they're trying to get at. Hopefully you can figure it out. All right. Man, this is the most boring video ever. Whew. That was number 10, by the way. Number 10.